Good morning, everyone. This is the maths project presented by Shobhit Rai and Vishesh Chauhan. Our project is based on chapter sets. Here is a definition of sets. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. The object that makes up a set, also known as element or member of a set. It can be anything. For example, number, people, letter, all the alphabets. Representation of sets. There are two methods of representing a set. First is roster or tabular form. In the roster form, we'll install the member of a set within braces and separate by comma. Set builder form. In the set builder form, fill is the property of property satisfied by all the elements of the set. Types of set. Empty set. A set which does not contain any element is called an empty set or the void set or null set, and it is denoted by the symbols given below. Singleton set. A set consists of a single element is called a singleton set. Finite or infinite set. A set which does not consist of finite number of elements is called an finite set. Otherwise, the set is called an infinite set. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of A is an element of B or vice versa. That is, two equal sets will have exactly the same element. Equivalent set. Two finite sets A and B will be said to be equivalent if the number of elements in set A will be equal to the number of elements of set B. Subset. A set A is said to be a subset of B if every element of A belongs to set B. Every set is a subset of itself. The empty set is a subset of every set. The total number of subset of a finite set containing n elements is 2 raised to the power n. Power set. The collection of all subset of a set A is called the power of set A. Is called the power set of A. It is denoted by P bracket A bracket close. If the number of element in A, that is number of element of A, is equals to n, then the number of element in PA is equals to 2 raised to the power n. Universal set. A set that contains all the set in a given context is called the universal set. Venn diagram. Venn diagram are the diagram which represent the relationship between sets. In Venn diagram, the universal set U is represented by a point within a rectangle and its subsets are represented by points in closed curves, usually circles within the rectangle. Operation of sets. Union of sets. The union of sets A and B denoted by A union B is a set of all those elements which are either in A or in B or in both A and B. Intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A and B denoted by A intersection B is the set of all elements which are common to both A and B. Here is something about disjoint sets, intersection or overlapping sets, and difference of sets. Complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and A is a subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the element of A. Law of algebra of sets. Idempotent law. For any set say we have A union A is equals to A and A intersection A is equals to A. Identify law. For any set A we have A union symbol is equals to A and A intersection U is equals to A. Commutative law. For any two sets A and B we have A union B is equals to B union A and A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Here is something about associative law and distributive law. De Morgan's law. De Morgan law states two law about sets. If A and B are any two sets, then A union B is equals to A complement intersection B complement. The complement of A union B equals to the complement of A intersected with the complement of B. A intersection B is equals to A complement union B complement. The complement of A intersected with B is equal to the complement of A union to the complement of B. Thank you very much.